Nursery cartoon love, journey with hooram.
5 ducks with a baby sheep. In morning light where daisies bloom. 5 ducks parade with joyful plume. They waddle near the babbling brook. A baby sheep with wool so white joins in their frolic, pure delight. With bleats that echo soft and clear, it dances close without a fear. The leader duck quacks loud and proud, while others form a feathery crowd. Together they splash in water's gleam, chasing ripples like a dream. Oh, how the sunbeams warm their backs, their laughter mingles, no time for slack. Each flap of wing and hop of hoof creates a symphony under the roof. The baby sheep leaps high to see what wonders lie beyond the tree. With eyes aglow like morning dew, it finds adventure fresh and new. But as the shadows start to fall and twilight whispers its evening call, the 5 ducks gather round their friend, a bond so sweet that will not end. They huddle close as stars ignite in velvet skies of deepening night, with dreams of meadows yet unseen, their hearts entwined, a tranquil scene. So let us treasure simple joys, like 5 bright ducks and playful boys. For in their world of laughter sweet resides our hearts, a love so deep.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with hooram.